fucking
No, terracotta is a material like suede, bro, like used on steering wheel and door trims.
So what is that color called?
Bitch, it's doodle brown red, boy. You know how these interior kind of rare. All right, guess what we about to motherfucker do today? We got some Godspeed coilovers, and then we have a Bmw 328i 2009 right there. About to install them shits in right now. Even though them shits kind of trash. You know, we young broke niggas right here, 2 broke teens. Shout out 2 broke teens. We about to put that shit up on the car. Yeah, you like the rims. I know you see I don't like the rims. Yeah, so we about to put that shit in the car. You know, you got this. What kind of interior is this?
Terracotta.
Terracotta interior. Well, you know that shit kind of rare. You don't be finding that in a lot of BMW 328i's down here.
It is terracotta.
Red leather. Terracotta is like suede.
That's the color fucking, what's the name kept saying? I fucking memorized.
No, terracotta is a material like suede, bro, like used on steering wheel and door trims.
So what is that color called?
Bitch, it's doodle brown red, boy. You know how. So we about to install these Godspeeds real quick. And we gonna get to work. Got an unboxing for y'all too. 2 videos in 1. Y'all should be happy about that. Yeah, see how smooth with the knife. Knife. Know what I mean?
I've been waiting all fucking day to do this shit. I got Godspeed stickers. Shut up. Alright. I'm definitely sticking.
What the fuck you put it on your car?
I'm not gonna put it, I'm gonna put it on there until I get my tints redone. And then I'm gonna get taken off. But no, actually you're right. I'm gonna stick these on the inside.
It's like fucking a brand. You don't want Godspeed on your car, bro.
Hey, it sound fire though. It sound fire though.
Yeah, you're right.
Hey, for people that don't know what Godspeed is, but they gonna think it's fire, bruh.
Young nigga.
Y'all went through 5 monsters today, bruh. Budget build?
Like how, what is it? I can't remember the budget BMW boys?
No. Budget is different, like when you make plans. This is a broke build.
Broke BMW build.
Broke build bitches. And he looks like a bitch.
Built like a bitch.
So I'm testing.
Let's see you man up and lift up one of those suspensions. Come on. Those scrawny arms.
Oh, that shit look good though.
Yeah, it actually looks quality for I paid. How much you paid for it? $1,000?
I'm not speaking that shit. It was close to that, but nowhere near that.
Like the struts and then the front is the whatever.
You gotta get the box contents unboxing.
Yeah, this is actually a good kit.
It came with the controller.
It comes with, no, these are the wings, you fucking retard.
Those are tools?
I know what they were, but I knew you would fucking correct me, so fuck you. Stabilize
You're learning, it's a learning process.
I know these are the I think these are bush.
Hold up, put them in the camera. One each. Put them in the camera.
Those are the seats for the springs.
You gotta explain it to the camera.
Okay, for the camera. In the Godspeed kit, they furnish you with some really, it actually feels like fucking ES tuning shit, like performance stuff. It doesn't feel shitty. It actually feels quality. It looks quality too. I'm kind of like super impressed. Look, like really, what? It's like really firm.
All right.
I think he came up on this shit like what, $400. We have the aluminum, and this shit looks like plastic. It's supposed to probably be Teflon or some shit. But it's aluminum and some shitty Chinese plastic seats for the springs, for the lowering springs for the rear thing. I'm pretty sure that shit is.
And then you take a picture of all this shit laid out after.
We don't want to misinform anybody else today.
I think these are the ones for the rear.
Why would those be for the rear? Those look bigger.
No, but the ones for the rear don't have adjustable coils, I think.
Yeah, that's for the rear.
Well, it's still adjustable, you get my point. The rear ones like fall into like a...
Yeah, like these go straight up in the car, and those seats, those plastic seats that you saw, they go here and then go in the control arm.
When I had my EG, it had none of this shit. All I had was fucking rings and coils with no fucking coils.
This like Owner services information, Godspeed Mono RX. No fucking instructions. You guys would be lost without me. This unit complies with OEM safety standards for your vehicle. However, when this unit is used in combination with other types of unit, the unit may no longer be compliant with OEM safety standards. Really? Really, Godspeed? You could have just told us that we need to instructions how to install this shit and what the parts are instead of disclaimer, your CYA in your asses. So this is cheap suspension.
You know he's old because he's ready. I wouldn't read that. What?
I wouldn't have read it either, to be honest.
Well, this shit, like I said,
Oh!
quality.
Oh!
The spring got dropped. No, it's good. Thanks. Use plastic.
That's what those padded for.
Bro, what the is this?
On the car.
What the fuck?
No, this shit
Oh.
looks like
Curry!
you can't even like curve
The only reason
that.
I'm so far is because I have the wrong fucking lens with my camera today. I left the other one in my car, which is at his house.
How much you paid for this shit? $400?
I used his affirm recently, so I have to pay.
Cocksucker, why didn't you just use the fucking get the BC coilers in? Like,
Didn't have that much. That would have been like,
Weren't we trying to buy something else, but they weren't accepting a firm or something like that?
yeah, but they wouldn't accept the thing we were using, so I had to go with these. I had to buy them off of Vivid Racing. Shout out to Vivid Racing. It's all I'm gonna say from there on. Sponsor me, I'm broke.
broke bill. I don't even want to put my company name on this shit. It's broke bill.
Yo, it's
Yeah, he's been sponsored by Fortesrite Automotive Services.
Fortesrite Automotive Services. Shout out to that team.
yeah, bro.
You wanna know where it's at?
Fort
Car
Lauderdale.
Zone.
We're saving all the broke kids.
Fort Lauderdale.
One suspension at a time.
One suspension at a time.
Why it's very important.
Sorry guys for the shop. Doesn't really matter because we're moving anyway. But yeah, you see the ghetto-ness? See the trashiness? Look at this, look at this, look at this. Nigga has 3 2JZ engines over there sitting there all apart. Like, come on, bro. Anyways.
That's not ghetto, because ghetto people can't afford a 1972 Mustang convertible and a fucking $15,000 toolbox. And fucking their scanners hooked up to a fucking 55-inch TV.
He's shitting on y'all. Anyway.
That was fucking $5,000 lift that can lift up a tractor trailer. Semi.
2 $5,000 lifts. You know? He's shitting on
One
y'all.
on the ground to move to the new shop.
Alright.
It's on the side.
So he has 3 $5,000 lifts.
Shout out to Vivid Racing. You people are doing it big. And a firm for broke budget customs.
Shout out.
Young nigga, young and broke, young, dumb, broke. But this was actually a very... We have the lovely stabilizer links for your car, because obviously the car is going to be so low, you won't be able to use the factory stabilizer links. And we have rear springs that are adjustable. We have the adjustable seats right here that comes in the box, very nice. And guys, these comes to go in the back of the lower control arm for your rear suspension. And these are the rear shocks, fully adjustable. They even have the little all-in key to adjust balance. And then there's a front, and believe it or not, this suspension is really awesome. It's really good quality. I'm not like, I can't even shit on Godspeed. It's actually very nice. Build quality is up there with some of the best I've seen, and I've seen everything. I've seen A&W, Olin's, everything. So, you know, it's not that kind of quality, but for the price point, it's up there with the best. It's kind of like BC Racing with like adjustable camera plates. Can't beat that. I think that's very nice. Godspeed Mono RS, they're really nice. You can see you can adjust, it shows you. It's like idiot-proof retard if you want shocks to be soft and hard. You have clicks, every click, you know, gets harder. Every negative click gets softer. And for the rears, you have the adjustment here in a little bag.
The adjustment tool.
These shims, don't leave the shims out. And you have your tool, your adjustment tool right here. So that's basically it. It's a pretty simple, straightforward kit. I think it's good for the price point. It's very good. I like what I see. And I think these guys will do very well. The test of time will show where we're heading with this suspension. That's it for now, guys. I don't think bucks is going to be better than this unless you go BC Racing or more prominent brands. And you're just going to be paying more money for this because you don't have adjustable camber plates on the BC Racing for $100 more. But until we ride, then we can judge. And that's it. Peace out.
Eventually I'll see it.
Niggas forever.
2 months. We're gonna let you know.
After 2 months, he's gonna tell you guys we're gonna upload another video about how the suspension rides, and then we'll let you guys know if it's good or not.
Cause this is my daily. I'm poor. This is my daily.
He has a BMW, what he said.
Hood grommet for it. You know why? This
Hood
BMW
emblem.
truck. Hood emblem, sorry. The grommets are the things that are under that.
Young dumb.
The grommets are the little things that are in there. But the emblem can't even afford it. BMW charges $39 for it, but it's alright.
Nigga, get a cheap ass Chinese emblem.
That is what that is. I've been ordering emblems off eBay for a minute now. Where do you keep breaking? Every time. Like I just told you, I went in there and asked for
Listen,
grommet
two
and all of
letters.
that.
2 letters.
And I was like, wait a minute. The grommets are
Two
still
letters.
in there.
Two letters. No, a number and a letter. 3M. When you buy the eBay emblem, you take the shit out and you put 3M T-sides. And that's a broke bill for you. Broke bill 1-on-1. Zip ties are your friends and 3M 2-side tape.